Well, hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Anjoli, and if this is your first time, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you for watching me again. Hope everyone's having a good day. I thought I'll do an unbagging. I do not have the original package because other things came in the box with it. So I just took this out. My husband ordered a shirt, I ordered a diamond painting, and we put it in one order and it came in one box. Well, actually an envelope. It came in on Sunday, and today is now Wednesday, and I finally got a chance to film a video. Yeah, so I have Amazon Prime, and this is my first diamond painting from Amazon. And you guys are probably wondering, why would you do that? Well, I did that because I like the variety on AliExpress, and I like the variety on New Frog, well now CES Deals, better than what they have on Amazon. Like, same thing with Diamond Art Club. Their quality is wonderful. If you saw my video where I just paid shipping for a small diamond painting, the quality is great and everything, but a lot of the art is not my cup of tea. And the same thing with Amazon. I look at some of the stuff, and some of the stuff just doesn't appeal to me. So that's why I like to get stuff off of AliExpress and CES Deals more than Amazon and more than Diamond Art Club. But let's see. Oh, sorry, I hit the tripod again. Gotta get used to this. I'm gonna stick the light on. I know it's dark in here. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. I haven't even had a cup of tea yet or anything to eat. And I said, let me get into this video before my day gets too crazy. Let me stick the light on. Sorry if I blinded anybody. So it's called the Lion, and it is supposed to be a special drill. A full special drill. I paid $20 for this one. And so we have the instructions, diamond shapes, and step-by-step on how to get started. So this is your key. Your inventory sheet, basically, I should say. And it is a special drill, a full special drill. So we'll look at some of these after. If you might have seen unboxings for this. And to be honest, another reason why I got this one was for the tweezers. Because I wanted these tweezers, to be honest. I want to see how they work. Because I'm using the Huracan tweezers right now on my rounds, and they keep scratching the tops of them when I try to move around. That fell off my wax pen, which lately has been happening. I'm not sure what's going on, but to be honest, it's very annoying that it's happening. But so white tray, the good quality baggies. I think she gives you a bag for each color, from what I was told in previous videos. A placer, another placer, which I think is a 3 placer. Okay, we don't want to focus. There we go. Excuse my nails. I don't go and get them done. Thing of wax, and a drill pen like Huracan. And it comes in this nice, thick, quality Ziploc bag. So we have that. Let me put everything away. But I'm pretty sure she gives you, I have 20 colors it's supposed to be. So let's double check how many baggies. I'm going to do that real quick. So we got 1, oop, I hit the tripod again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And you count this one, 20. So, yeah. I'm sorry, I'm looking through the viewfinder to make sure everything I'm doing you guys can see. So please excuse my bumpiness and my second one filming with this tripod. So, but like I said, I wanted these tweezers because every time I put a drill down by accident, maybe in the wrong spot, or my daughter hits my arm, because my 5-year-old's been doing that when I'm diamond painting, comes over and hits my arm. I've been trying with my hooligan tweezers, and they've just been scratching the top of my diamonds, and I just want to make sure I have enough. And from what everyone says, she gives you these if you don't like the clear cover. You can put these down instead and take them off if you're doing sections, which I'm not sure if I'll use those, but I know with those other covers you get from like AliExpress, that when I'm done doing a section and I'm near the end of the section, like let's say I did all this and I only have like this much to do, the cover does not stay on very well because it has all that extra cover that has nowhere to stick down on. So I might use those to do stuff like that, just so little piece I have left to do will stay down. And I don't have to worry about it flipping up and getting dust on it and not staying down. Usually I stick all my drills on it. Then I gotta move it every time. I just want to get going on my diamond painting. Okay, we looked at that. So this is called the Lion. Very nice. I want to try it. And we have the key. So these have different drill numbers and DMC because these are special diamonds. And it's like a checklist also on the bottom, which is awesome. And how many you should get in each bag, which is also displayed on here. So we'll look at these colors real quick. And yeah, that will be the end of my video. I did place, sorry, open it. I did place some orders with AliExpress. So hopefully I'll have something in the future, but I'm almost done with the twin owl. I only have like one more little teeny section like this big to do. So when I get near the end, I would like to do a whip and chat, and you guys can see the post review at the same time. So let's see. See if we could do these in order. So one is a reddish color, like a dark ruby, and this is a brighter red. So they are not the same. And I'm not sure when I'm getting that whip and chat in, even though I'm almost done with it, because we have a wedding to go to tomorrow. So it's like a goldish color. 3. All right, where's number 4? Yeah, blind as a bat. I'm not even looking through the viewfinder. A lighter yellow. 5. It's like a gold. La la la. 6. So I don't know if you guys can hear in the background. My daughter's listening to Big Block sing songs, so I hope this doesn't get flagged for anything. But she wants to listen to them. She really loves them. And I'm not trying to use it for background music. I'm trying to use it for her. I think this is more like a mirror finish. And the slight tint of yellow. I'm just trying to keep her distracted so I can do my video. 9. A lot of types of different yellows because we're talking about a lion with this beautiful big mane. And I'm not good with coming up with words for colors, to be honest. I'm not that artistic. I am not a crafty person, and this is like the only craft I like really fell in love with. So you have to excuse me. I tried learning crochet with my grandmother. I only learned like one thing, and that was like it. And I try to get into it so bad, but I don't know. Maybe when I get a little older and I have less to do with kids, I will maybe pick up on it again. It's like a clear 16. What was the difference? Kind of almost look the same. They have to be a slight different. $17. Another mirror one, but almost like a hint of gray to it. 18. We're almost done. Got 2 more colors. I can't tell the difference. Sorry. 19. And then 20. Definitely you can see a difference. It's like a rose gold. Yeah, and that was it. Nice size. It says 16 by 12 inch. And they also give you the drill area 16 by 12. Okay, that's cool. And then the whole fabric size should give you in inches. So you know how we are. We're already starting to learn our centimeters now from doing all these diamond paintings. That when you see centimeters, you're like, oh, what's that? No. But yeah. So I thought I'd just share this real quick with you guys. Thank you for watching. Like I said, I hope to do a whip and chat very soon. We'll see. We have a wedding tomorrow, which is Thursday, and then Friday my husband has off from work, so we can actually go and spend some time together. Then he also has Saturday off, but unless he goes out with my daughter, then I'll probably do the whip and chat. So we'll see how that goes. But thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. I hope everyone is getting their GP on and enjoying themselves. And that's all I have to say. Bye.